Become a prediction pro, mastering reading comprehension through previewing. Hello, language learners. Today we're diving into an important reading comprehension strategy, previewing. More specifically, we'll be focusing on how to predict content based on headings and subheadings, and then how to compare our predictions with the actual content. This technique can significantly enhance your understanding and retention of the information. So, let's get started. Before we start reading a text, it's good practice to preview the material. This is done by scanning through the text and looking at headings, subheadings, pictures, graphs, etc. Based on these elements, we can make predictions about the content. This is our brain's way of preparing for the information it's about to receive, and it creates a kind of mental roadmap for our reading journey. The first step to practicing prediction skills is learning how to make accurate predictions. When you look at the headings and subheadings, ask yourself questions like, what do I think this section is about? What specific information might it provide? Write down your predictions, as it will make it easier to compare them with the actual content later. Remember, it's fine if your predictions are not entirely accurate. The goal here is to engage with the text and prepare your brain for the upcoming content. Now, the crucial part, comparing your predictions with the actual content. After you've read each section, go back to your written predictions. Check them against what you just read. How accurate were you? Were there any surprises? This comparison allows you to actively engage with the text and can increase both your comprehension and retention. The more you practice this strategy, the better you'll get at making accurate predictions. Start with easier texts and gradually move to more complex ones. Remember, improving reading comprehension isn't a race, it's a journey. Take your time, and celebrate your improvements along the way. That's it for today, folks. We hope this guide on predicting content based on headings and subheadings and comparing these predictions with the actual content proves to be a valuable tool in your English language learning journey. Remember, mastering reading comprehension is a process, and it's all about practice, patience, and persistence. Happy reading, and see you in the next video.